What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. I am Caesar here. We got an awesome unboxing today. It's for the limited edition Travel FX, and as a bonus we got the single Gunmetl Foil FX shavers. For those of you guys who have subscribed, thank you guys so much for all the support. All of you guys who keep ordering from us at supremebarbersupply.com, we really appreciate it. You guys literally be ordering all the damn time. I have a notification right here from someone who just placed one 18 minutes ago, and honestly, super grateful. So thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys keep supporting because we love taking care of y'all. So let's get this video started, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, man. We got a lot more dope content coming. There's a lot more unboxings to be done, reviews, a lot of events. Before we get this unboxing started, guys, let me just tell you guys about something. Rum Barber just put out a challenge. If you guys have not watched this video, go check out Rum Barber's most recent video. It's gonna be the first clipper challenge, guys. So pretty much he challenged a lot of big YouTubers. So this is what it says, guys. So this is what the post says. We are calling out YouTube barbers to take part in the first clipper challenge. In parentheses, check out our latest video. We want to see YouTube barbers film a tutorial or haircuts throughout the day using their very first clipper. Are the latest machines better than the originals? Does expensive equipment make you a better barber? Has clipper technology improved that much? Let's find out. So he decided to tag Chris Bosio, David Fala, S-Craft Blends, Sean Cutter, YouTube Barber Academy. Can I borrow someone else's hand? Matt Gifted Hands, Ant the Barber, ya boy I am Caesar, The Barber's Table, Kieran the Barber TZ, 360 GZ, Jeffrey El Barbero Master. First off, let me just say that it's a damn blessing to even be in the damn same sentence with these other barbers like Chris Bosio, David Fala, Starcraft Blends, Sean Cutter, cool dude as well, all of them, Matt Gifted Hands, Ant the Barber, my boy right there, The Barber's Table, 360 GZ, The Barber TZ. Guys, it's honestly just a blessing to be, like I said, in the same topic sentence as these guys, because honestly, I'm just a regular dude over here making videos for you guys. So to be seen, to be mentioned by Rum Barber, those guys are freaking incredible. Thank you guys, the whole Rum Barber team. You guys are awesome. Loved hanging out with you guys in Vegas. And honestly, I miss y'all, and thank you guys for the challenge. This is gonna be a fun one, and this challenge is accepted. So I can't wait to see everybody else's first clipper challenge. This is gonna be an awesome challenge. So let's talk about this Travel FX, ladies and gentlemen. This Travel FX right here is a limited edition product from Babyliss Pro. So I mean, it's pretty damn small. It's kind of like hand-sized, but I'll unbox it right now so you guys can see it. And it also comes with this nice single foil shaver, the Gunmetl one. If at any point you guys want to purchase any of these items, you guys can go check us out at supremebarbersupply.com. That supports this channel, it supports my family, and pretty much all the hard work we do for you guys. It's nice to see you guys purchase and come from YouTube to our website, and it really means a lot. We see literally all the orders. We pack all our orders. So if you guys did not know that, yes, we take care of all that, and we do it with we do it humbly, and pretty much we're just grateful for all the orders you guys do with this. Right off the bat, this has this nice little red velvet looking soft, really soft packaging. It's like, it's fancy, really fancy. So this single foil shaver, I know a lot of you guys mess with it. A lot of you guys obviously started messing with it because Stay Gold Sophie, you know how she started using, oh, you see my new light there? I know you guys see, it's pretty dope. It's a new light, it's a little one, and it's just perfect. But anyways, this little single foil shaver, guys, I had a lot of mixed reviews before I personally started using it. Obviously, when you hear something that's not rechargeable and it goes off of dual batteries, you the first thing you think is like, wow, I'm gonna have to keep buying batteries, and it's just like back in the Game Boy days when you would use your Game Boy Advance and then you would just have to chuck the batteries, throw them to the trash, and get new ones every single time, making it a hassle. But what I've heard from barbers is that, on some of you guys in the comment section from the last video, is that you guys just mainly use this as, you know, a little cleanup shaver. Slide this to the side and then you just pull it out just like that. That's where the batteries go. I wanted to see somebody's single shaver, so I was messing around with it, you know. I was like, oh cool, how did, you know, what does this do? And well, of course, what happened, I went like this and this whole thing just freaking slid off and fell to the ground. I was like, oops. Definitely know what you're working with before, you know, you start messing around with it and using it, or messing around with anybody else's. So one thing I am wondering is, for those of you who actually use this single shaver, do you guys use rechargeable batteries? Like, lithium ion batteries are game changing nowadays. Everything uses lithium ion batteries, and I know there's some batteries out there like AA ones that are rechargeable. So if you guys are using the rechargeable ones, let me know in the comment section. I personally never tried it. I am going to show you guys the little sound test because, like I said, I have to have one myself to know what I'm kind of talking about. So I do. New one, put it back down. This is the one I've already used. This is pretty much how it sounds like, and you can tell it's mine because it's already ugly. It's already, like, you know, all fingered up and stuff. Looks beautiful. I think it's, when I first saw these, I thought it was going to be pretty dark like this, but that's not the case, and I'm a little upset low-key because it looks a lot sicker, like it's all blacked out. But maybe, just maybe, in this new series there might be a black one out. Who knows? Or this might be it. Who knows? Drop a comment in the comment section if you guys want a little series about me talking about, pictures included, about all these new stuff that is gonna come out. Hear it here first, hopefully. But anyways, here's the damn sound test. I'm talking too much already. Alright guys, so it's loud, but it's not too loud. Like the double fold shavers, they sound pretty good too. They sound solid. You know, all these shavers be sounding pretty loud, or if not, they end up sounding a little bit louder over time. I personally have not had an issue with my gold double foil shavers. I've had them for a long ass time, and I honestly think they're the best box shavers out in the market right now. I can't wait to try those new Stylecraft ones from Gamma. Those look pretty sick, but just from my opinion on looking at them, they kind of look like they're going to be like the Andis one. What do you guys think about those so far? Let me know in the comment section. I can't wait for those. It's going to be game changers, man. Hopefully it's not just about the color. I feel like that's kind of like what this industry is kind of going towards, but it's also about the performance. Like, these are freaking powerful. I've already used them a few times myself. Super powerful. It does not feel cheap. It has a pretty good premium feel to them. They feel super strong, like they're gonna take whatever it is. A lot of people do use this for like tapers. You know, they're small. It's only one single foil. So I'm pretty curious, do a lot of you guys use this as your main shaver? Yeah, if you do, let me know in the comment section. But if you don't, I don't see why you would. At the same time, I feel like, I don't know, I don't want to put too much pressure. It's almost like using a little weak trimmer to bulk out. But I don't know, I feel like it could stand that. I honestly think it's pretty powerful. With time, I'll give you guys a more extensive review on the single foil shaver in a different video. But like I said, guys, if you guys already experienced it with the chrome shaver, like this one, it's the same thing, it's just a different colorway. So let me know what you guys think about the single foil shaver in the comments. I'm actually pretty interested in hearing what you guys think and what you guys use it for. On to the Bambino Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium. It has 2 speeds, high and low. It does not have a cool off button like you guys are used to. A lot of you guys who use the blow dryer, this may be a downfall for you guys, how it does not have that. But then again, like I said, I feel like the game is changing. The barber game is changing to a lot of house calls, a lot of at-home cutting, you know, well, same shit as house calls, but a lot of house calls, a lot of hotel calls, all that good stuff. So small stuff is very essential when it comes to packing as much with little space. So I think this would be awesome, you know, awesome in anybody's lineup for their little traveling case. This blow dryer is a whopping 7 ounces. Let me take out the whole red velvet bad boy. Look at this. Ugh, beautiful packaging, guys. This is a limited edition, so that's what you can expect with this bad boy. So it has a 6-foot cord, guys. Perfect for house calls. Perfect for pretty much if you're traveling, you can just plug this bad boy in. And the cool thing about this is I believe this is a dual voltage, so perfect when you're traveling. And I want to kind of plug it in and see what, you know, how strong this thing is. So let's do that. Right, guys, so let's see how strong this blow dryer really is. Is it good enough just to, you know, get you by? Because that's what pretty much this is what it's going to be. It's not supposed to be replace your main blow dryer. It's supposed to be like a convenient one that you can just take on the go that's still going to get the job done. So let's see how the low setting is first. I already plugged it in, so let's see how it works. Oh. Oh Lord. Holy shit. Wow, this is pretty impressive, guys. If you guys did not know, Babyliss pretty much comes from Conair, and Conair, Babyliss have the best blow dryers in the game, guys, if you guys have not noticed. Let's see, the low setting feels really good. It feels pretty damn hot still at the low setting. Like, just with the low setting, I should be able to blow dry anybody's hair, to be honest. So I don't really feel like I should do the high settings on anybody, but you know, obviously that situation dictates that. So let's try the high setting. Oh my goodness. Let me see if there's a thaw head around here so I can show you guys, because this shit is fucking powerful. Whew. All right, guys, I got a thaw head. Looks like, I don't know, somebody. But let's try the low setting so you guys can actually see how pretty strong it is. This is the low setting, guys. Like I said, it's pretty strong. I know you guys can barely see it from there, but this is, like I said, this is gonna get the job done easily. You're just trying to get your hair dry. Yeah, this is gonna get the job done. But now if you do the high setting, this thing is freaking crazy. I like it a lot. It's all hot and stuff. Oh my god, guys, I am pretty impressed with this little blow dryer. I honestly didn't expect much from it, to be honest. You guys can change the voltage here when you guys travel, which is the little button right there. You'll probably need something like a certain flat surface, like a screw or some flathead, and you guys could just swap it out right there. But this is insane, guys. I think this is definitely a must-have for when you guys are on the go, you guys travel. You don't want to have something that's super big with the taking up a space. And here's the little nozzle that it comes with, guys. I'm just gonna place this right here, just like that. I don't want to really take it off its packaging, or unless I keep this one, but nah, not really. I don't think so. But it's pretty cool, guys. I think this is an awesome little blow dryer. It's gonna get the job done, and I think it's worth the money. This is for the shaver, and if I'm correct, this should have the AA batteries already included, which is dope, because I mean, ain't nobody damn trying to go to the store and buy the damn batteries after they just bought the thing. So good on you, Babyliss. This is great. Single foil shaver, little pouch and battery, a little extra nozzle that it comes with, or the only nozzle it comes with, and of course it comes with the manual and hopefully some stickers. All right, cool. So it comes with this sticker, which is pretty cool. I mean, I think it's standard with all the Babyliss products that it comes with. It comes with the instructions. I'm pretty sure this is the warranty as well for the blow dryer, Bambino 5510, which you, by the way, you guys have a 12-month warranty with Babyliss on the blow dryers, and obviously the manual as well, which half of you guys probably don't care about anyways, but you guys will if your shit messes up. So that's pretty much what comes with this limited edition travel FX kit. So let me know what you guys think about this little combo. Are you guys sold on it, or are you guys not sold on it? And if not, if you guys ain't sold on it, let me know in the comment sections why not. I am pretty sold on it. I like the shaver, like I said myself. I use it. Pretty powerful, small but powerful. The blow dryer, I think it's pretty epic. I think it's freaking tiny and dope. Like I said, guys, I'm pretty sold on it. And I know someone's gonna think, oh, you're just saying that because it's Babyliss, blah, blah, blah. No, I don't get sponsored by Babyliss. I tell you, you guys already know, I tell you guys this stuff straight out. If I like it, I like it. If not, then oh well. It's not gonna affect the sales of it or anything like that. People are still gonna buy it. So you guys can buy it with full confidence. I like it. That's my opinion. I think it's dope. You guys should try it out for yourselves. All right, guys, quick little unboxing for this shaver. Right here, this is the Babyliss Pro Foil FX01. This is the gunmetal single foil shaver, and it's nothing different from the original chrome single shaver. The only difference is obviously its color and packaging. So let's do this one real quick, because I'm pretty sure it comes with the same stuff that the other one came with, and I don't know if I've already done that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he did a single foil unboxing. If not, then here you guys go. So, straight off the bat, what's gonna fall off on the bottom? Nothing else in the box. This came out just like this. Is, from what I see, this is the manual, and then some sticker, a sticker. Like I said, almost pretty standard with every every Babyliss product. I wish they would come out with a little sticker for the single shaver though. That'd be pretty sick. Oh, this is a pretty simple one, as you guys can see. I'm literally showing you guys everything it comes with. Little pouch like on the one before. And it comes with the obviously the AA batteries that it runs off of. So if you guys are watching this video from early on, you guys already know how the shaver looks. Oh shit, it's hard to take out. You guys already know how it looks like, you know, pretty sexy. You guys see my light there again. Come on, focus on this sexiness, not my sexiness. There you go. See, it's beautiful. Uh-oh, anti-auto sexy is on. Oh yeah, so that's pretty much what this comes with, guys. Pretty fast. This is the unboxing for the gunmetal one. And honestly, I appreciate you guys so much, literally, for all the support you guys have given me, my family, Supreme Barber Supply, my barber journey. And what I want to do now is I want to do a giveaway, guys. I want to do a giveaway for you guys. I don't need to hit a certain amount of subscribers to do a giveaway. We're just going to do a giveaway because I really appreciate you guys for subscribing. I always believe in giving back. So one of you guys is going to get this bad boy right here. I want to give this away to you guys. This is what you guys need to do to win this gunmetal single foil shaver. First of all, you guys need to be subscribed to the channel. The second step is go follow Supreme Barber Supply and yours truly, I am Caesar Q on Instagram. And last but not least, drop a comment and let me know what you guys think about all these companies, these brands coming out with all this stuff left and right. Babyliss, Gamma, they're having like a shootout right now. What do you guys think about all that? All this stuff releasing left and right. What do you guys think about that just in general? I will keep you guys updated on my Instagram, on the stories, on how I do this, pretty much this giveaway, because I will most likely be going live on my Instagram and I will be giving this out to whoever does these 3 things. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this unboxing, top or drop. Let me know in the comment section as well. And thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new, like I said, it pays to be subscribed sometimes, I guess, right? Free education, free stuff sometimes, who knows? What do I know? All right, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.